Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome to our French lesson for absolute beginners. My name is Guillaume, and today we will learn some romantic phrases in French. French is the language of love and romance, right? So, let's begin. First, we will start with a very simple greeting. How do you say hello in French? It is bonjour. Can you say it? Bonjour. Very good. Now, how do you say you in French? It is toi. Casual way or to someone you know. So, hello you would be bonjour toi. Let's try it. Bonjour toi. Excellent. Next, we will learn how to say I love you. This is a very important phrase. It is je t'aime. Can you repeat after me? Je t'aime. Slowly, je t'aime. Je t'aime. Wonderful. Let's practice this a little. Imagine you are speaking to someone you love. Say, je t'aime. Good. Again, je t'aime. Fantastic. Now, how do you say my love? In French, it is mon amour. Mon means my, and amour means love. So, mon amour. Repeat it, mon amour. Very nice. You can combine these phrases. For example, I love you, my love. In French, it is je t'aime, mon amour. Let's say it together. Je t'aime, mon amour. Good. Again, je t'aime, mon amour. Super. Sometimes you want to say something is beautiful. How do you say beautiful in French? If you are speaking to a woman, you say belle. If you are speaking to a man, you say beau. So if you see a beautiful woman, you can say tu es belle. Tu es means you are. So tu es belle. Can you try? Tu es belle. Excellent. If you see a beautiful man, you can say tu es beau. Tu es beau. Repeat it. Tu es beau. Very good. Now, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Okay? Let's practice. If you see a beautiful flower, which word do you use? Belle, yes. Because a flower is feminine in French, so une fleur est belle. But for now, let's focus on people. If you want to say you are very beautiful, you can add très. Très means very, so tu es très belle. For a woman, tu es très belle. And for a man, tu es très beau. Tu es très beau. Let's try a small exercise. I will say tu es belle. What does it mean? Yes, you are beautiful for a woman. And tu es beau? Yes, you are beautiful for a man. Now let's learn how to say you are handsome. This is similar to beau. If you are talking to a man, you can say tu es charmant. Charmant means charming or handsome. Tu es charmant. Can you say it? Tu es charmant. Good. And for a woman, you can say tu es charmante. Notice the extra e at the end. Tu es charmante. Repeat. Tu es charmante. Very good. So we have tu es beau, handsome man, and tu es charmant, charming man, and tu es belle, beautiful woman, and tu es charmante, charming woman. Let's move on to compliments about eyes. How do you say eyes in French? It is yeux, plural, your eyes, tes yeux. If you want to say your eyes are beautiful, you can say tes yeux sont beaux. Sont means are. So tes yeux sont beaux. Repeat it. Tes yeux sont beaux. Nice. What if you want to say your eyes are blue? Blue is bleu. So tes yeux sont bleus. Notice the S at the end of bleus to agree with you. Tes yeux sont bleus. Try it. Tes yeux sont bleus. And your eyes are green. Green is vert. So tes yeux sont verts. Tes yeux sont verts. Good. And brown eyes? Brown is marron. Marron doesn't change for gender or number. So tes yeux sont marrons. Tes yeux sont marrons. Excellent. Let's try another one. I like you. In French, it is je t'aime bien. This is a softer way of saying you like someone. Je t'aime bien. Can you say it? Je t'aime bien. Good. It's different from je t'aime, which means I love you. Je t'aime bien is more like I like you. It's a good start. Now, let's learn how to ask someone to dance. Do you want to dance? In French, it is veux-tu danser? Veux-tu means do you want? Dancer means to dance. So, veux-tu danser? Repeat it. Veux-tu danser? Very good. If you want to be more polite, you can say voulez-vous danser? This uses the formal vous, but for romance, tu is usually better. So let's stick with veux-tu danser. What about you make me happy? In French, it is tu me rends heureux. If you are a man speaking, you say heureux. If you are a woman speaking, you say heureuse. So a man would say, tu me rends heureuse. You make me happy, woman speaking. Tu me rends heureuse. Repeat it. Tu me rends heureuse. Good. A woman would say, tu me rends heureux. You make me happy, man speaking. Tu me rends heureux. Repeat it. Tu me rends heureux. Very nice. Let's try a phrase for a special occasion. Happy birthday. In French, it is joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Can you say it? Joyeux anniversaire. Good. And happy Valentine's Day? It's Joyeuse Saint-Valentin. Joyeuse Saint-Valentin. Repeat it. Joyeuse Saint-Valentin. Very good. Now let's learn some sweet nicknames. We already learned mon amour, my love. Another one is mon cœur. Cœur means heart. So mon cœur means my heart. Mon cœur. Say it. Mon cœur. Nice. For a woman, you can also say ma chérie. Chérie means darling. Ma chérie. Repeat it. Ma chérie. Good. For a man, you can say mon chéri. Notice the difference. Mon chéri. Say it. Mon chéri. Very good. So we have mon amour, mon cœur, ma chérie, and mon chéri. Let's try to put some phrases together. Imagine you are writing a short note. To my love, you are beautiful. I love you. In French, à mon amour, tu es belle. Je t'aime. Let's break it down. À mon amour means to my love. Tu es belle mean you are beautiful. Je t'aime mean I love you. Let's say the whole phrase. À mon amour, tu es belle. Je t'aime. Good. Let's try another one for a man. To my darling, you are handsome. I love you. In French, à mon chéri, tu es beau. Je t'aime. À mon chéri means to my darling. For a man, tu es beau means you are handsome. Je t'aime means I love you. Say it together. À mon chéri, tu es beau. Je t'aime. Very good. Now let's learn a phrase for when you miss someone. I miss you. In French, it is tu me manques. This is a bit tricky. It literally means you are missing from me, but it translates to I miss you. So say tu me manques. Repeat it. Tu me manques. Good. Let's try a longer sentence. I miss you, my love. Tu me manques, mon amour. Say it. Tu me manques, mon amour. Very nice. What about asking someone to kiss you? Kiss me. In French, it is embrasse-moi. Embrasse is the command form of to kiss, and moi means me. So, embrasse-moi. Repeat it. Embrasse-moi. Good. Let's try a very romantic phrase. You are everything to me. In French, it is tu es tout pour moi. Tu es means you are. Tout means everything. Pour moi means for me. So, tu es tout pour moi. Say it. Tu es tout pour moi. Excellent. Let's try another one. I think of you. In French, it is je pense à toi. Je pense means I think. À toi means of you. So, je pense à toi. Repeat it. Je pense à toi. Good. Let's practice putting some phrases together in a short dialogue. Imagine you meet someone you like. You. Bonjour, tu es très beau. Hello, you are very handsome. Them. Bonjour, merci. Tu es très belle aussi. Hello, thank you. You are very beautiful too. You. Je t'aime bien. I like you. Them. Moi aussi. Veux-tu danser? Me too. Do you want to dance? You. Oui. J'adore danser avec toi. Yes. I love dancing with you. Let's review the phrases we learned today. Bonjour. Hello. Je t'aime. I love you. Mon amour. My love. Tu es belle. You are beautiful to a woman. Tu es beau. You are handsome to a man. Tes yeux sont beaux. Your eyes are beautiful. Je t'aime bien. I like you. Veux-tu danser? Do you want to dance? Mon cœur. My heart. Ma chérie. My darling. To a woman. Mon chéri. My darling. To a man. Tu me manques. I miss you. Embrasse-moi. Kiss me. Tu es tout pour moi. You are everything to me. Je pense à toi. I think of you. Let's do a quick practice. I will say a phrase in English, and you try to say it in French. I love you. Je t'aime. Very good. My love. Mon amour. Excellent. You are beautiful. To a woman. Tu es belle? Perfect. Do you want to dance? Veux-tu danser? Fantastique. I miss you. Tu me manques. Wonderful. Kiss me. Embrasse-moi. Super. You are everything to me. Tu es tout pour moi. Amazing. You have learned many romantic French phrases today. Remember, practice is key. Try to use these phrases with someone special or just practice them to yourself. French is indeed the language of love, and with these phrases, you can start to express your feelings. Thank you for joining our lesson today. Au revoir et à bientôt. Goodbye and see you soon.